Hi, I'm Kyle Bernhardt, Chief Revenue Officer at TestFit, the leading real estate feasibility platform for real estate developers, architects, and contractors to maximize site potential and get the right deals done faster. And each of those deals starts their lives as a spreadsheet pro forma, a disconnected site plan, and a manual cost estimate to understand how feasible that deal is. The expertise to do each is held by different stakeholders. The reality is, based on our own research, is that only 1 in 40 deals ever becomes a real project. What we should be doing is culling those 39 other deals much, much faster. And that is because the overall collaboration process is disconnected. You've got different parties working on different tasks, each with their own motivation and focus. This is exactly where our co-founder Clifton Harness found himself working as an architect within a real estate developer, doing over 150 deals a year. He was spending hours manually counting parking stalls just to be sure he was meeting code. He knew there had to be a better way. The solution TestFit was founded on was to bring together those key deal decisions into a single platform where the site plan, pro forma, and cost estimate are all integrated together in real time. By connecting all this data with real-time configurators, it allows for rapid iterations to maximize site potential and get the right deals done faster. And TestFit is purpose-built for feasibility before the ink is dry on the decision to move forward. There are other great tools on the market to design and document your deals, but in TestFit, you can make quick decisions to move the right deals forward. We have integrations with those documentation tools to carry that work forward without data loss. And we tackle feasibility through a real-time AI experience that we call co-authoring. You can choose your site and define its zoning constraints and easements. You can capture your overall development approach, things like unit mix, parking, and loading dock requirements, water retention, and road network needs. You can also define your deal economics, for example, your unit rental rates, land costs, and construction costs. The end result is that things that took weeks before now take minutes in TestFit. Instead of architects spending days drawing and counting to make sure they hit the right unit mix, or the time it takes developers to make sure they're hitting their NOI, you can generate your entire feasibility study in under 2 hours. That speed and agility allows deal teams to weed out bad deals faster and ultimately iterate and optimize the deals that do pencil. We bring together those key decisions for the site plan, validating the pro forma, and pulling out the key quantities for construction, all pieces of the feasibility puzzle. And we do that across a full spectrum of multifamily residential development types, industrial warehouses, and mixed-use developments. And we've been on the market for over 5 years, accelerating that development for real companies. Resia, one of the largest multifamily developers in North America, used TestFit. They decreased their site planning time by 4 times, ultimately increasing their productivity by 300%. Where Malcolm, a large architectural practice in the United States, decreased their site planning time by 83% and cut out hundreds of thousands of dollars of unbillable hours to produce those site plans. We are committed to delivering the best feasibility process on the market, allowing our customers to make the most informed decisions and ultimately meet their development goals. Our AI configurators optimize the best design solutions for every site with real-time insights on design, constructability, and cost, so you can save time on site planning, reduce risk on acquiring deals, and increase the potential for all your sites. And if you'd like to try it, we'd love to show you how to cull the wrong deals and make decisions on moving forward with the right deals faster. Scan the QR code and we can show you an example of TestFit on one of your recent or current deals.